We are helping a lot of people na mga gustong magnegosyo pero hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula. Gusto magkaroon ng online business pero hindi nila alam ang gagawin. And we are also helping a lot of OFWs na sila mismo gusto magkanegosyo na sila yung may control sa negosyo nila. That's why they are choosing this business. Well, actually, marami na rin kaming napauwing OFW na nandito sa Pilipinas ngayon enjoying their time and financial freedom. And we are partnered with Empowered Consumerism. For the past 16 years, our company Empowered Consumerism has been helping a lot of people change their lives from the Philippines going worldwide. And Empowered Consumerism has created the most number of millionaires. So once you get in, we will provide you trainings on how will you maximize your social media kung paano mo to gagawin yung negosyo. And a lot of people wants to do this business. Ngayon, sa lahat na nag-how na yon, you will present the business. We will give you scripts, we will give you the tools. Sobrang dali ng gagawin mo. And once they join, you will earn
6,000 pesos.
What if sa isang araw, merong dalawang nagjo-join sa'yo?
Ibig sabihin, meron kang 12,000 pesos sa isang araw.
That's why a lot of people are considering this business full-time. They're leaving their jobs, they are closing their businesses, at ito na yung ginagawa talaga nila kasi ang laki nga naman ng kita. Ano ba sumali?
You just need to purchase your account for only 29,990.
Ang liit ng puhunan natin, and then you can start earning your leverage asset. Anong kapalit nito? Magkakaroon ka ng products worth your money or even more. Magkakaroon ka rin ng 25% to 50% lifetime discount sa mga products natin. This business is good, lalo na sa mga nagtatrabaho. Kasi kung ikaw ay nag-work at hindi online yung business mo, mahihirapan ka magnegosyo. And yes, I know that some of you have tried business. At pag hindi online, medyo masakit sa ulo. And dito, magkakaroon ka ng DTC or Data Tracking Center in which mamomonitor mo yung business mo online. It's 24/7. And this business fits you. Kasi online, lalo na sa mga OFWs. You will have your own username and password. Everything will be there. Your inventory, mga sumali sa'yo, accounting, encashments, lahat nando na. All online. Now, we have another benefit na ito yung pinakagusto ko. You will have free trainings wherein yung mga taong nasa top na mga dati rin katulad mo na nag-how lang din, na naging millionaire, sila mismo magta-train sa'yo at mag-guide sa'yo. Another benefit is magkakaroon ka ng free travel incentives. You will have this voucher in which pwede mong gamitin para matravel mo yung mga loved ones mo. What's good here is yung commission mo makukuha mo araw-araw. We are the only company that is daily payout because our company is very liquid. Tayo lang po ang nag-iisang company na may 8-story building dito sa Cebu. At tayo lang yung may ganyan sa buong Pilipinas. Our company is very stable kaya dito ako sumali. Pag-usapan naman natin kung magkano ang kitaan. And this is exciting. How to earn. You need to leverage yourself.
Alam mo ba, ang iyong 29,990
Magiging 3 accounts yan. So you need to form 4 groups. Sa dami-daming nagahaw, 4 lang ang sumali. Since sabi ng company, once you have 1 account on your left, 1 account on your right, magma-match yon at meron kang 1,800. Eh, you have 3 accounts. So, ibig sabihin, 3 ang iyong money-generating leverage asset. So, yung 3 ito, pwedeng mag-18, 18, 18. So, take a look at this one. This is your account 1, 2, 3. At sabihin natin, nalagay na natin yung 4 na tao. Si A, B, C, and D. So, si account number 1 mo, si A, magmamatch yan kay B. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 1.8. Si B, magmamatch kay C. So, ibig sabihin, may another 1.8 ka. Eh, you have an account 2 and account 3. So, si 2, meron siya sa ilalim niya na sariling left and right. So, may sarili rin siyang 1.8, 1.8. So, si A ay left ni 2 at si B ay right ni 2. So, ibig sabihin, magmamatch din siya at meron ding 1.8 si number 2. Eh, itong maganda. May pangatlo ka pang account. May 3 pa. Si 3, may sarili rin siyang 1.8, 1.8, 1.8. Si letter C ay left niya. Si D ay right niya. So, magmamatch yun. May 1.8 din si number 3. So, aside from the match sales bonus of 1,800 sa 3 accounts na may direct referral bonus ka sa 4, so, ibig sabihin, meron kang total of
31,200.
sa 4 lang na taong naimbitan mo. Sa daming taong naghahaw at sa daming taong gusto ng opportunity nito. At syempre, kaya sumali si A, B, C, and D kasi Kasi gusto rin nila mag-leverage in this asset. So, dadami ng dadami si A, B, C, and D. Ibig sabihin, ang account mong 1, 2, and 3, 1-8 ka ng 1-8, ng 1-8, ng 1-8, ng 1-8, ng 1-8, hanggang dulo yan. That's why a lot of people get their first million in 2 months' time. Yung iba in 3 months' time. Yung iba in 6 months' time. At excited kami para sa'yo dahil baka ikaw na yung next. It's your chance to do something in your life right now. There is more earnings that you can get from the Unilevel, Stair Steps, and UPP. Ito yung mga rebates mo sa products na mga ginagamit natin. For example, bumibili ka ng chichirya sa wholesale na 5 pesos at ibebenta mo to ng 7 pesos. So it means, kung ikaw yung tindahan, meron kang dos. Ang tanong ang dos, malaki or maliit? Dos ay maliit, pero pag pinagsama-sama mo, malaki rin yan. Eh, di ba right now, we are targeting other countries? We are targeting other nationalities. Our company is a Filipino-owned company. So it means, mula sa Pilipinas, papunta ng ibang bansa, and we still have 200 countries to conquer. And who knows, sa mga bansa na yon, dun ka mag-expand ng market mo. That's why this is very good for OFWs. Kasi nandyan ka sa ibang bansa, who knows, na isa sa mga bansang yon, ikaw ang mag-winner. Alam mo ba, napakaswerte mo kung ikaw ay nakapanood ng video na to. Kasi ang una naming sinesharean nitong wonderful opportunity na to ay mga Pinoy. Sila muna yung tinetrain namin, sila muna yung pinapagaling namin. Because in the next coming years, we will be conquering the international arena. Kasama ka namin para mag-expand sa iba't ibang bansa at iba't ibang land. And I welcome you, not just in this community, but in this family that I know belong ka dito. Deserve mo magkaroon ng magandang buhay, and you deserve more than what you're earning right now. Believe in yourself, lahat ng bagay na pag-aaralan.